Words can wound like swords, yet heal like gentle whispers. A simple sentence overheard years ago, yet its truth resonated deep within. We often underestimate this power, the energy we unleash with every sentence uttered. Consider for a moment the weight of a harsh word, the sting of criticism. Now envision the warmth of a kind word, a genuine compliment. This is the power we all possess, the power of positive speech, a force capable of transforming not just our lives, but the lives of those around us. Imagine, if you will, a spider's web, delicate yet strong, each strand representing a negative thought, a complaint, a harsh judgment. We often find ourselves entangled in this web, our minds trapped in a cycle of negativity. Complaining, though seemingly harmless, reinforces a negative mindset. It keeps us fixated on what's wrong, blinding us to the beauty and possibilities that surround us. It becomes a habit, a default mode of perception, coloring our experiences with dissatisfaction and resentment. When we complain, we empower negativity, allowing it to take root and flourish within us. Criticism, often disguised as constructive feedback, can be equally detrimental. It creates separation, erodes trust, and fosters a climate of fear and judgment. Breaking free from this web of negativity requires conscious effort. This awareness is the first step towards liberation, towards reclaiming our power and choosing a different path, a path of positivity and compassion. Buddha's teachings offer a profound roadmap for transforming our speech and, in turn, our lives. Right speech, a key element of the Noble Eightfold Path, guides us towards mindful and compassionate communication. It encourages us to speak with kindness, honesty, and purpose, avoiding speech that is harmful, divisive, or untrue. This principle emphasizes speaking truth, but truth infused with compassion. Right speech is about choosing words that uplift, that heal, that foster connection and understanding. Furthermore, right speech encourages us to be mindful of the intention behind our words. Are we speaking from a place of love and compassion, or are we motivated by anger, jealousy, or the need to control? Ultimately, right speech is about cultivating a mind of peace and compassion. Gratitude, a simple word, yet its essence holds the power to transform our lives. It's a shift in perspective, a conscious choice to focus on the good, the beautiful, the blessings that surround us. Start by noticing the small things, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of your morning coffee, the laughter of a loved one. These seemingly insignificant moments, when acknowledged with gratitude, become extraordinary, reminders of the abundance that surrounds us. Keep a gratitude journal, jotting down things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice helps shift our focus, training our minds to notice the good and appreciate the blessings in our lives. Expressing gratitude to others, acknowledging their kindness, their support, their very presence in our lives, strengthens bonds and creates a ripple effect of positivity. A simple thank you spoken with sincerity can brighten someone's day and foster a deeper sense of connection. Gratitude becomes a guiding light, illuminating our path and leading us towards a life filled with joy, contentment, and peace. Imagine a world where every word spoken is infused with kindness, where compliments flow freely, and gratitude is the common language. This vision, though seemingly idealistic, is within our reach. It begins with each of us, with a conscious choice to use our words to uplift, to inspire, to create a more loving and compassionate world. Start by becoming aware of your own speech patterns. Notice the moments you slip into negativity, the complaints that roll off your tongue, the criticisms that spring to mind. This awareness is the first step towards transformation, towards choosing a different path. Replace complaints with expressions of gratitude. Challenge yourself to offer genuine compliments. Notice the good in others, their talents, their kindness, their unique qualities, and express your appreciation. Let's use our voices to inspire, to uplift, to create a world where kindness, compassion, and understanding prevail. Every word we speak is like a stone cast into a pond, creating ripples that extend far beyond the initial point of impact. Positive words have the power to create a ripple effect of kindness, compassion, and joy, transforming not just our own lives, but the lives of those around us. When we speak kindly to others, we create a space of safety and respect. People feel heard, valued, and more likely to respond in kind. This creates a positive feedback loop, fostering a more harmonious and supportive environment. Positive self-talk is equally important. The way we speak to ourselves, the thoughts we allow to take root in our minds, have a profound impact on our well-being. Imagine the transformative power if each of us committed to speaking with more kindness, more gratitude, more love. Each positive interaction, no matter how small, has the potential to create a ripple effect, transforming our world, one word at a time. Our minds, shaped by evolution, have a natural tendency to focus on the negative. This negativity bias served us well in the past, helping us avoid danger and survive in a world filled with threats. However, in today's world, this negativity bias can keep us trapped in a cycle of fear, anxiety, and dissatisfaction. We dwell on negative experiences, replaying them in our minds, while positive experiences fade quickly into the background. This negativity bias affects not just our thoughts, but also our speech. We're quick to complain, to criticize, to focus on what's wrong while overlooking the good. Overcoming this negativity bias requires conscious effort. Mindfulness practices such as meditation can be incredibly helpful in this regard. By actively seeking out things to be grateful for, we retrain our brains to focus on the positive, gradually shifting our perspective and our experience of the world. In the whirlwind of modern life, our words often flow effortlessly, sometimes without conscious thought or intention. We engage in idle chatter, gossip, and negative self-talk, unaware of the impact of our words on ourselves and others. Mindfulness, the practice of present moment awareness, offers a powerful antidote to this unconscious speech. When we speak mindfully, we become aware of the thoughts and emotions that underlie our words. We notice the impulses that drive us to speak, whether it's the need to impress, to defend, to control, or to simply fill the silence. This awareness allows us to pause, to choose our words consciously, and to speak with greater intention and purpose. Mindfulness also helps us become more attuned to the impact of our words on others. We notice their facial expressions, their body language, the subtle cues that tell us how our words are being received. Cultivating mindful speech is a journey, not a destination. Speaking positively is not about putting on a fake smile or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about approaching ourselves and others with compassion, recognizing that we are all works in progress, navigating the complexities of life. This journey of compassionate communication begins with self-acceptance. Embrace your imperfections, your flaws, the parts of yourself that you may judge harshly. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a dear friend. This inner compassion forms the foundation for extending compassion outwards, to others. Practice empathy, the ability to step into another person's shoes and see the world from their perspective. Seek to understand their experiences, their struggles, their joys. By choosing compassion over judgment, kindness over criticism, we create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond our immediate circle. The power of positive speech lies not in some distant future, but in the present moment. It's in the words we choose to speak right now, in this very instant. It's about shifting our focus from regrets of the past and worries about the future to the present moment, where true transformation occurs. The next time you interact with someone, pay attention to your words. Are they filled with kindness, gratitude, and understanding? Or are they laced with negativity, judgment, or indifference? The choice is always yours. Embrace the silence before you speak. Take a deep breath and connect with the present moment. Embrace this power, use it wisely, and witness the extraordinary impact it has on your life and the lives of those around you.